Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a healthy relationship with food with intuitive eating. The first step is to understand what intuitive eating is. Intuitive eating teaches you to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Begin by becoming aware of how your body feels before, during, and after eating. Set aside time to eat without distractions. This means no phones, televisions, or multitasking. Next, allow yourself to enjoy your meals without guilt. Anyone can enjoy food without labeling it as good or bad. Make a list of foods that you have restricted in the past. These are often the foods you may desire the most. Gradually reintroduce these foods into your diet. Start with small portions and notice how they make you feel. Practice mindfulness during meals. Chew slowly and savor each bite. Pay attention to flavors, textures, and your body's signals. Next, tune into your hunger signals. Ask yourself if you are physically hungry before eating. This will help you to distinguish between physical and emotional hunger. If you find yourself reaching for food out of boredom or stress, pause. Take a moment to reflect on your emotions before deciding to eat. Ensure that you are eating enough throughout the day. Hunger can often lead to overeating later. Focus on nourishing your body with a variety of foods. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, proteins, and healthy fats. Listen to your body's signals of fullness. When you're starting to feel full, consider stopping. You don't have to finish everything on your plate. Allow yourself to feel satisfaction from your meals. Next, cultivate a positive body image. This means respecting and appreciating your body for what it does. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.